The fine-tuning of the universe is the proposition that because fundamental physical constants are so finely tuned, life would not exist if any one of them had just a slight different value. Examples of these constants include the speed of light, the Planck constant, gravitational constant, charge of the electron, proton-neutron mass ratio, and permeability of vacuum. To give you an idea of their importance, if protons, for example, were slightly heavier than neutrons, atoms would not exist. Similarly, if the charge of the electron were any different, stars would not have been able to burn hydrogen and helium, yielding no chemistry for life. Although opinions differ among scientists as to how finely tuned these life-permitting constants are, some require infinitesimally precise tuning. Professor Steven Weinberg elucidates this point. He says, one constant does seem to require an incredible fine-tuning. It is the vacuum energy or cosmological constant. The existence of life of any kind seems to require a cancellation between different contributions to the vacuum energy, accurate to about 120 decimal places. That is enormous, infinitesimal amount of precision. Since many constants have been discovered over the last 40 years, the majority of cosmologists agree that the universe is fine-tuned for life. Some physicists go further by arguing the precise tuning of so many constants is evidence that the universe was intentionally created for life. For example, Harvard-educated NASA astrophysicist John A. O'Keefe, he asserts, if the universe had not been made with the most exacting precision, we could never have come into existence. He said, it is my view that these circumstances indicate the universe was created for man to live in. O'Keefe's worldview is consistent with the biblical view found in Isaiah 45:18, which says, he who created the heavens, he is God. He who fashioned and made the earth, he founded it. He did not create it to be empty, but formed it to be inhabited. Although we can all make specific claims about our existence, considering the scientific evidence of nature's many life-permitting constants, the argument that our universe is finely tuned for life on earth by an omnipotent God is beyond question.